Clean the air filters in your portable air conditioner every 2 weeks. A dirty air filter will decrease your airflow, reduce efficiency, and prevent the unit from working properly. The frequency of cleaning will depend on your climate, settings, and usage. To clean the air filters, first remove the 2 filter covers located at the back of the unit at top and bottom. Pull out each air filter by the handle. Use a vacuum cleaner to clean the filters. If the filters are heavily soiled, they can be washed in warm water using a mild detergent. Do not use harsh cleaners or very hot water in the air filters, and do not wash them in a dishwasher. Allow the filters to dry completely before reinstalling. Dust and debris may accumulate on the aluminum fins. To clean, use a vacuum with a soft brush attachment. Run the brush gently down the metal fins, following the lines to avoid bending the fins. Bent fins can affect the air conditioner's performance. Once dry, reinstall the air filters and reattach the air filter covers. Wipe the portable air conditioner with a damp cloth. Then wipe with the dry side of the cloth or use another fresh dry towel. Remember, do not use abrasive cleansers to clean the air conditioner. They may damage the finish. Never pour water onto or into the air conditioner. It could damage internal components and create a shock and a fire hazard. Never operate the air conditioner without the air filters in place.